Hello everybody and welcome to Craft Door. Today we're going to talk about casting on knitting stitches for beginners. First you'll need knitting needles and some yarn. So let's get started.
So this is how to cast on. First you want to make a slip knot. So basically you're pulling the yarn through the hook, or through your fingers, I'm sorry, like so. Then you want to put that on to the needle and then just tighten it, not too tight though. So then you have your basic first stitch. Then all you want to do is take the yarn, loop it around your finger, and put it through and then slide it down, and that's your first stitch. Then you want to do that again. You want to loop it around your finger, pull it down again, continue to do that, loop it around your finger, pull it down, loop it around your finger and pull it down. You want to continue doing that until you have enough stitches on your needle to start your project. So you're just looping it around your finger and pulling it down. You want to keep them, tight enough, but not too tight that you can't put your other needle through, when you're doing your project. So make sure that you're not pulling them too tight, but just tight enough to keep the stitches on. Again, loop it around, pull it through. So continue to do this until you have enough yarn on the needle for your project. Or just do a few, if you're just starting out, just do a few stitches to kind of practice with, and then continue to do so, and then you can grab your other needle and just make start your project. But that's just an easy way to get your project started, is just, I learned this, that you just, take your time and loop it around and pull it through. It's actually a quick and easy way to get all the stitches. You kind of keep pushing them down as you go, and then just continue to keep putting the stitches on. So that's what we do to get your casting on for your knitting needles. Let me know if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.